If you've got a strip screw like this one in a piece of wood, here's a simple method that should help you get it out. Screw heads can become stripped due to rust, wear, or the wrong bit type and size used. First, before trying anything else, make sure you're using the correct screwdriver bit type and apply firm downward pressure while turning slowly. Sometimes that's enough on its own to remove the screw. Now, you could use a screw extractor kit or other methods such as cutting a slot into the head of the screw head using a multi-tool or rotary tool and extracting the screw that way using a slotted screwdriver. What I prefer to do though is use a pair of mole grips and grab the jaw ends on top of the screw head and unscrew the screw out. The mole grips give you that much needed leverage to extract the screw. If the screw head is flush with the wood, then you'll need to create some space around the screw head. Just get a small chisel and create some space around the screw head. Half a centimetre should do it. You just need some space so that your mole grip jaw ends can get enough bite onto the top of the screw head. Get your mole grips and clamp on and unscrew. Simple fix, and it can save a lot of frustration. If this video helped you, feel free to like or subscribe. It helps support the channel. If you've got any tips of your own, feel free to leave a comment.